Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Capricorn Earth sign. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. This is weekly reading. So let's see Capricorn, your recent past. Capricorn, your recent past. Nine of Cups. Wheel of Fortune. Wow, 10 of Cups. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely things are turning in your favor already. They turn you in your favor. I think your wishes already fulfilled, or they are going to be fulfilled in near future. If they are not, definitely 10 of Cups. I think past was very good. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Definitely things are turning in your favor. Things are in your favor. Capricorn. Wow, 6 of Pentacles. Wow, Ace of Pentacles. Very, very positive reading, Capricorn. Wow, 3 of Cups. Yeah. I think one person in this connection not giving equal give and take, but now this person want to, I think it's your person want to offer equal give and take to this connection and long-term commitment, and there is celebration. Definitely those who are in separation, those who are not good communication, whatever, definitely your relationship is going to be next level and some reconciliation is going to be happen between both of you. 3 of Cups with Ace of Pentacles. Definitely reconciliation. Yeah, Fool, new beginning. See, your person want to take leap of faith. Yeah, Knight of Wands, they want to come. Definitely you both want reconciliation and it is coming. 10 of Pentacles, stability. Wow, very, very positive reading. There is no negative card, at least one card. Yeah, definitely you both want stability in this connection. Particularly you want definitely long-term commitment and stability in this connection, and your person want to take leap of faith. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. It's popped out. Okay, 6 of Wands, they want success with you. Yeah, 3 of Pentacles, they want to work on this relationship, or you both could be colleagues also. Page of Cups, yeah, they want to apologize even if they did wrong in past. Lot of cards. Judgment, yeah, reconciliation, those who are in separation. Definitely your person want to work on this relationship. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely your person wants success with you. Definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. There is no doubt about it. Yeah, you also want new beginning with your person. Definitely you both want reconciliation. It is going to be happen. And under the deck, Ace of Cups. Definitely you both love each other unconditionally. So let's pull some more cards from universe for final message. Capricorn, very, very positive reading. Yeah, justice, reconciliation. You or your person could be Libra also. 5 of Swords. 6 of Cups. Definitely this is a soulmate and a past life connection. You both feeling definitely strong soulmate connection, bond between both of you. 6 of Cups, definitely reconciliation, justice, Libra. 5 of Swords, the disputes between both of you are going to be resolved, because those who did wrong, definitely they will apologize. It could be you or your person, depending upon your situation. Definitely things are turning in your favor, Capricorn. So this is very good sign. This is very, very positive reading. Your person want to work on this relationship. They want reconciliation. They want again they want to work on this relationship, and they want to offer equal give and take in this connection. So definitely major, there is a reconciliation. Very few. So I think 90% of the viewers will get reconciliation depending upon your situation, because a lot of reconciliation cards here. Judgment with Justice, 6 of Cups, and the Fool, and 10 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, 3 of Cups. This is about reconciliation reading. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.